Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Apples are selling in a competitive market, and we need to find which price change actually increases the total economic surplus. Let's solve this fast. First, look at the graph to find where the supply and demand curves intersect. That point is our equilibrium, which shows the market price is exactly $6 right now. At this $6 equilibrium, the total economic surplus is already maximized. Any move away from this price usually creates a deadweight loss, but we started at $8 instead. Moving from $8 to the $6 equilibrium reduces inefficiency and captures more surplus, making option A the only correct choice. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush to judgment. Trust given data to find the equilibrium.